Look at this. This is, dang. This is freaking brutal right there. And I'm glad I moved to Moorhead, guys, because I don't want to be here, guys. I don't want to be here. This is freaking awesome. Dude, our cousins are going to Starbucks. They're gonna get stuck in the rain. It's kind of fresh out here, but dang, might blow air. It's not. Oh, dude, wait. Oh, it's not gonna be worse. It's not even worse. It's gonna be good.
Be careful driving home.
This is freaking awesome, guys.
Okay, are you supposed to watch it going down the street? Okay.
I'm glad it's gonna stop, but dang. A lot of rain, guys.
Come on, baby, let's go inside.
Well, where's the float?
I got it here.
It's gonna be
Come on,
awesome.
let's go inside.
No.
Come on, baby. Go back up, mommy, please. Oh, careful.
My cousin right there with the hat just say,
We needed rain.
yeah, we did need a rain. Here, my mom.
Let's hope it's just that.
This is good.
Well, we need a rain.
Yeah,
It's rained a while like this.
it hasn't.
Are you recording it?
Yeah.
I think so. I hope so.
It is gonna move more.
Okay.
Good. We need a rain, guys.
Yeah, we need rain.
Bad severe thunderstorm weather, but it's okay. It's gonna stop.
Back inside, you're gonna get wet, you're gonna get sick.
Moving into Moorhead.
Wanna get sick?
We're in West Fargo, North Dakota. It's gonna move to Moorhead.
Okay.
See you later, guys. Bye.